Hey everyone, welcome back to the All Auto Parts Group channel, your true partner for automotive solutions. Today, I'm diving into a topic all about innovation and engineering, how Acura engines have truly changed the game. Whether you're a car enthusiast or an Acura owner, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's get rolling. Acura, a name synonymous with precision and performance, has consistently pushed the boundaries with its engines. From the robust V6 to the efficient turbocharged 4 cylinders, Acura's engineering prowess is evident across its entire lineup. Let's start with the classic, the V6 engine. Known for its power and smoothness, the Acura V6 has been a staple in models like the TLX and MDX. What's special here is the variable cylinder management system, which improves fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Imagine cruising on the highway and not worrying about your fuel gauge every few minutes. That's the comfort Acura brings. Now, shifting gears to something a bit more modern, the turbocharged 4-cylinder engines. Acura didn't just stop at any turbo engine, they introduced a VTEC turbo, blending performance with efficiency seamlessly. Found in the RDX and the latest Integra, these engines offer a punchy throttle response and an exhilarating driving experience that's hard to match. But here's a curveball, used engines. Yes, Acura engines are so durable that they're often sought after in the used market. This creates a fantastic opportunity for enthusiasts to upgrade or replace engines in older models, keeping the legacy alive without breaking the bank. So whether you're looking to understand your vehicle better or considering an engine upgrade, knowing these engine types and their capabilities can make a significant difference. Acura doesn't just make cars, they craft experiences powered by some of the most innovative engines in the market. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Acura engines, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe All Auto Parts Group channel for more automotive insights. Drive safely, and do visit our websites mentioned in the description to choose from wide variety of used Acura engines.